Okay, today we're gonna do the S10 with the bars leak, and it's all filled up right there, but we're gonna drain it, and after I drain it I'm gonna pour it in, and then I'll continue the video. So this is pretty short. You can read the instruction on the bottle. It's pretty easy, easy to follow, so you can do that, but I'll just post this on. Okay, you see how much smoke coming out of there? This is why we're doing it. You see how much moisture coming out of there? So I'm gonna put it in, and then I'll show you afterward when it's done. Okay, but that's, you see, this is at nighttime, but you can see how much moisture through the flashlight right there, and that's why we're putting bars leak in there, because there's a lot of moisture coming out of the tailpipe. If you sit here for a little while, it's going to be even worse. Anyway, that's the close up to it. I'm going to pause the video and we go on to the next. Okay, so I empty a bunch of them out, and then you can see like a bunch of the stuff in there. I pour everything in there now. The engine is on, so I'm going to start closing this up, I guess. And now we just idle for 20 minutes. Alright, close that up. Alright, that's it for now. We're gonna wait for 20 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna show you, this is before treatment. You see how much water is on there? This is before treatment, and we just turn on the car and see the water dripping. That's how much water is coming out there. See that? And you can see smoke, tons of smoke, and water dripping. Okay, I'm gonna wait 25 minutes, and then we'll come back to this video. Okay, so now this is after we waited. We waited for 25 minutes, and it's pretty hot now because the fan get kicked in. You can feel it, the air coming through here, and plus the temperature on that, it's 85 Celsius. So it's finally to operating temperature. I'm going to show you the tailpipe, and that's what it goes now. You don't see any more drippings. That's the older puddle right there, and no smoke. There's no smoke whatsoever now. And I'm gonna see, hold your hands like 10, count 10 seconds, and then see if it's wet. I don't know, it's not really wet. Hold your hands to the pipe about a few inches away, and then count 10 seconds. That's when you will know if this have a lot of moisture or not. I'm gonna put the flashlight down so I can do it with my other hand while I'm holding the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look at the camera. Wait, let me go a little bit. It's only a little bit of moisture. It's a lot less now. But if you have a lot of moisture, you can just do the same thing. Hold your hand about a few inches away and count 10 seconds. And if your hand is really moist and a lot of liquid, that means you have a lot of coolant leaking. And after the treatment, do the same thing. Hold your hand for 10 seconds again. I would say like 2 inches away, and then if you have less moisture, that's when you know it's working okay. But anyway, that's about it on this video. As you can see, the other one is more detail. I have another one, the treatment with the bars leak. I think that one's even worse than this one, and it actually worked. So it does work. I like it. Anyway, that's it on the video.